Hey friends, if you wish to fix performance issues in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution is to check for updates. Right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. I'll tell you why. Because if security updates are not installed on time, then you will face this problem. The next one is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and go to MRT. It will need a few seconds to open this application. Click on next, select full scan, next, and then it will start scanning. The next solution will be to update drivers. So right click on the start button and select settings. Go to Windows Update tab, advanced options, optional updates, and install all the optional updates available. And lastly, restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. So this is one of the part, and then the last one is to set it for performance. Search for performance in the Windows search bar and go to adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Select adjust for best performance. Click on apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.